Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best gaming routers in 2026. There's a lot of talk about fast internet, but not enough about stable connections. For gaming, consistency beats raw speed almost every time. So let's go through some of the best gaming routers available right now. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So, again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth gaming router on our list is the WAVLINK BE5100, priced at $64.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Out of the box, the build is clean and compact, about 16 by 16 centimeters flat, low-profile design, nothing flashy, no RGB, no aggressive fins. It's more home office than battle station, but it doesn't feel cheap either. Setup is simple. You either hit the WAVRouter app or type the default IP into your browser, and you're good to go in minutes. The interface walks you through everything: guest Wi-Fi, parental controls, QoS. It's all right there. Now, the specs. This is a Wi-Fi 7 dual-band router running 688 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz and a beefy 4,323 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz, totaling around 5,100 megabits per second combined. The 4096 QAM modulation is the real deal here. That means more data per signal cycle, which translates to lower latency and better throughput, especially in crowded environments. OFDMA and multi-user, multiple input. Multiple output keep multiple devices from choking each other out, which matters when you've got a full lobby plus a 4K stream running. Range covers up to 1,700 square feet with 5 decibel omnidirectional antennas and beamforming built in. On the port side, one 2.5 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports. You also get OpenVPN and WireGuard support, which is a nice bonus. Now, it's only dual band, no 6 gigahertz band like the higher-end Wi-Fi 7 routers. Our team recommends this for those who are on a budget and want a genuine Wi-Fi 7 upgrade. The fourth gaming router on our list is the WAVLINK AXE6600, priced at $85.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First thing you notice is the size. It's bigger, chunkier, and it's rocking 8.5 decibel omnidirectional antennas sticking out in all directions. It looks aggressive, like it means business. Build quality feels solid for the price point, no flex or cheap plasticky feel to it. Setup is the same WAVLINK experience, browser-based or app, both get the job done fast. The interface is clean, nothing overcomplicated. You've got guest Wi-Fi, parental controls, VPN, and their AI quality of experience system all accessible right from the dashboard. That AI quality of experience feature is actually pretty interesting. It intelligently watches your traffic and automatically bumps gaming and video calls to the front of the line without you having to manually configure anything. Now, the numbers. This is a Wi-Fi 6 dual-band router pumping out 1,147 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz and 4,803 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz, totaling around 6,000 megabits per second combined. It's running a quad-core 2.0 gigahertz CPU, which helps keep latency low when you've got a ton of devices connected. It supports up to 256 simultaneous connections. That's huge. Coverage hits up to 2,150 square feet, which is a solid step up over the BE 5100. Connectivity-wise, you get one 2.5 gigabit WAN, one 2.5 gigabit LAN, 3 standard gigabit LAN ports, and a USB 3.0 port for shared storage. However, it's still Wi-Fi 6, not Wi-Fi 7, so you're not getting the newer 4096 QAM modulation efficiency. Our team recommends this for those who have a bigger home or who have a bunch of devices all fighting for bandwidth at the same time. The third gaming router on our list is the MSI RadiX AXE6600, priced at $129.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Right out of the box, this thing looks the part. It's big, it's got 6 high-performance RGB antennas, a heatsink with heat pipes for active thermal management, and that aggressive MSI aesthetic that gamers will immediately recognize. Build quality is noticeably more premium than the 2 WAVLINKs we covered. Setup is straightforward through the MSI Router app or web interface. You get dedicated modes for gaming, streaming, work from home, and an AI auto mode that just figures it out on its own. That's the AI quality of service doing its thing, automatically reading your traffic and bumping gaming packets to the front of the queue without you touching anything. There's also a game accelerator feature specifically designed to keep your gaming connection stable and uninterrupted even when the rest of your network is busy. On specs, the AXE6600 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router running 573 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz, 1,201 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz, and a fat 4,804 megabits per second on the 6 gigahertz band, totaling around 6,600 megabits per second. That 6 gigahertz band is the key here. It's a less congested spectrum with 7 160 megahertz channels, which means way lower latency and interference compared to traditional dual-band setups. It's powered by a quad-core 1.8 gigahertz processor and supports up to 60 devices. Ports are one 2.5 gigabit WAN, 4 gigabit LAN, and a USB 3.2 port. The limitation is real though, only 60 device capacity versus the AX6000's 256, and the LAN ports are all standard gigabit, not 2.5 gigabit. Our team recommends this for serious gamers who own Wi-Fi 6E devices and want a dedicated, purpose-built gaming router with real thermal management and a 6 gigahertz lane. The second gaming router on our list is the ASUS AX6000, priced at $319.57, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Design-wise, it's low and wide, almost like a manta ray shape with 4 external antennas. It's not flashy like the MSI, but it looks premium and purposeful. Set up through the ASUS Router app is genuinely one of the smoothest experiences in this price range. The interface is feature-packed, but organized well enough that you won't get lost. The star of the show here is the software ecosystem. You get adaptive quality of service for prioritizing game traffic. A built-in WT fast integration that literally finds the shortest network path between your device and the game server to cut ping, mobile game boost for phones, and AI Protection Pro, powered by Trend Micro for lifetime free network level security. That security feature alone saves you a subscription fee every year. On the specs, this is a 4x4 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router running 1,148 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz and 4,804 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz, totaling 6,000 megabits per second. It supports 160 megahertz channel bandwidth and 1024 QAM modulation with full OFDMA and multi-user, multiple input, multiple output. The connectivity here is what really stands out though. 8 gigabit LAN ports plus 2 USB 3.1 ports. That's rare at this tier and makes it a beast for wired setups and LAN parties. It also supports ASUS AI Mesh for whole home mesh expansion. Take note that the WAN port is only standard gigabit, no 2.5 gigabit like the others on this list. So if your ISP delivers over 1 gigabit, you'll be capped. Our team recommends this for wired-first gamers with multiple PCs, consoles, or a NAS, and who want the most mature, feature-rich gaming software. The best gaming router on our list is the ASUS ROG Rapture GT BE98 Pro, priced at $597.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This thing is a beast in every sense. It's massive, nearly 15 by 15 inches, weighs over 4 pounds, and rocks 8 external dual-feeding antennas that are engineered specifically to maximize signal efficiency. Setup runs through ASUS's ASUS WRT interface, which is the most feature-complete router software in the consumer space, period. You get adaptive quality of service, triple-level game acceleration that optimizes your traffic from your gaming port all the way to the game server, mobile game mode, WT-Fast integration, plus subscription-free AI Protection Pro security powered by Trend Micro. Everything is polished and deeply configurable without needing to touch a command line. This is a quad-band Wi-Fi 7 router running 1,376 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz, 5,764 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz, and 2 separate 6 gigahertz bands, each capable of 11,529 megabits per second, totaling up to 30 gigabits per second combined. It supports 320 megahertz channels and 4096 QAM on all bands. Connectivity is in a class of its own, dual 10 gigabit ports, 3 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, USB 3.2, and USB 2.0. It's running a 2.6 gigahertz quad-core processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Multi-link operation lets it bond multiple bands simultaneously for rock-solid stability. The limitation is straightforward. It's expensive. Our team recommends this for those who run a multi-device household, have a 10 gigabit connection or NAS setup, and want the absolute best gaming router money can buy in 2026 with no compromises whatsoever. And there you have it, folks. The best gaming routers in 2026. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.